Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this Range Rover Sport from any screen. Actually, no, sorry, we'll go to another screen. Cancel that. So, we're on the phone. From any screen, you can either click nav, or you can click home menu, and then you've got on-road nav here. So click there. You've got destination at the top, click destination. And postcode is easiest. We're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston, PR. Now this is a good sat-nav system because the numbers are on. Some you have to click between numbers and letters, but this has already got the numbers on as well. So PR5, 4, defaulted back to letters J, S. And then we click OK. And then we have to click go. Even though we've clicked OK, we've put the postcode in manually. It's got like a safety catch. That's it. That's how you do it. Let's just go back to home menu. See, now this has also got an easy way. Usually when you get to your destination, or what I usually do, if I'm not sure if I'm going home, I set the sat nav to get home. Then you get halfway home and you know the rest of the way, don't you? So then you have to go through the sat nav to stop it, keep giving you directions, usually when you're listening to something on the radio or the news, and it comes on and tells you again. So in this, you just go back to home menu, click cancel guidance. Make sure you touch it and you've not got Mars bar fingers like I have.